Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about Ezcad2 multi-document engraving function. We'll take these three documents as examples. First, open the software. There is an input port specified for the port. 然后打开多文档雕刻 Open the multi-document engraving. Add document 1. Specifies an input port. Confirm. Add document 2. Specifies an input port. Confirm. Add document 3 and specify an input port. Confirm. Then click on Engrave. The dialog box prompts to wait for the I/O input port signal. It must meet two conditions. First, the first one is the foot switch port here, at 3. The second is the input port specified for each document. For example, the input port specified for document 1 is 5, and the input port for the foot switch is 4. Both input signals 4 and 5 must be satisfied. In order to perform the engraving, let's demonstrate it. This is document 1. Document 2. It meets both input conditions for the foot switch and 6 for the document. That's all.